Your phone screen is the only light in the room while you sit on the edge of the bed at 3 in the morning. Your child is finally asleep after hours of tossing and turning. You are scrolling through social media just to keep your eyes open. Suddenly, an ad for the Needo Kids Pillow pops up. It looks like a soft, fluffy cloud. The text promises that it will fix your child's posture. It claims to offer perfect neck support for a better night of rest. It feels like someone is reading your mind. This is how the marketing trap begins for so many of us. We want a solution. We want our kids to be comfortable. I decided to dig into this brand to see if the reality matches the shiny advertisements. This product has been everywhere lately. If you look at their official website, it seems like a home run. There are hundreds of reviews. Every parent seems to be giving it 5 stars. They talk about how it changed their lives. It sounds almost too good to be true. That is usually because it is. When a company controls its own review section, you are only seeing a tiny slice of the truth. They are not going to show you the parents who thought it was just an average pillow. They are certainly not going to show you the complaints. I spent a lot of time looking for independent feedback. I searched through forums and parent groups. The results were surprisingly quiet. Compared to the big names in the industry, this brand is a bit of a mystery. There is very little talk about it outside of its own ecosystem. That should make you pause. I want to be very clear about one thing. This is not a scam in the traditional sense. It is a real company. They have a functioning website. They have a customer support line you can actually reach. If you order this pillow, it will arrive at your door. You are not going to get your identity stolen. However, being a real product is not the same as being a miracle product. The claims they make are very bold. They talk about health and development. They suggest that this specific shape is a game changer for a child's body. When you see claims like that, you should look for data. I looked for clinical trials. I looked for doctor endorsements that were not paid for by the brand. I found nothing. There is no hard evidence that this pillow is better than any other quality pillow on the market. It is a well-designed piece of foam with a very clever marketing team. They know exactly how to talk to tired parents. They know you are willing to spend money if it means your child sleeps better. You are paying a high price for a story. The pillow might be very nice. It might be soft and durable, but it is not a medical device. It is a consumer product wrapped in health-related language. Before you click that buy button, think about what you really need. You can find supportive pillows for kids at almost any major retailer. Many of them have years of independent testing behind them. Don't let a targeted ad make you feel like you are missing out on a breakthrough. Take a breath. Look for reviews on sites the company does not own. Talk to your friends. If the only praise you can find is on the seller's own page, that is a warning sign. It is a real item, but the hype is much bigger than the science. Be a smart shopper and keep your expectations realistic. You are doing a great job for your kids. You don't need a magic pillow to prove it. Just stay curious and keep asking questions. Your peace of mind is worth more than a piece of foam. Keep your eyes open for the truth.